Crazy Creative Kitchen. Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vibe. So today I'm gonna give you something super exclusive. Today we're making fried ice cream, and if you never had fried ice cream before, great recipe, easy, straightforward, beautiful, fantastic result. So what I do is I take Frosted Flakes. Frosted Flakes is, I mean, if you don't like sugar, you can use corn flakes, but I use Frosted Flakes. It's sugary, it's good, and it's just awesome. So Frosted Flakes, French toast batter, and if you don't know how to make a French toast batter, check one of my French toast recipes. Actually, I'm gonna put a link in the description for a French toast recipe from the stay home series of videos. So we made French toast batter there, but it's pretty straightforward. You get some eggs, some cinnamon. We're not using sugar, but you throw some sugar in there, some fresh nutmeg, some vanilla. All right, so French toast batter, Frosted Flakes, ice cream. 3 ingredients. That's all you need to make fried ice cream. So we set up our French toast batter, we set up our Frosted Flakes. Let's get into the video. Crazy Creative Kitchen. Smash that like button and let's start. So what you do is you take your ice cream scoop and you make balls of ice cream. First thing you want to do, first coating, no French toast, just Frosted Flakes, because if you remember, it's dry, wet, dry. So this is our first dry. Roll them in our Frosted Flakes. Then we're gonna put them back in our oven for 1 hour. Let them get solid as a rock. And as I said, hit that like button, and let's get to the second process. So the second process, French toast batter, and then Frosted Flakes. Then we're gonna do the same process. We're gonna French toast batter, Frosted Flakes. We already did dry, so now it's wet, dry, and then we're gonna put them in our freezer again for. Now we're gonna put them for 30 minutes because they're kind of solid. So 30 minutes, and then we're gonna do the process all over again. And if you watch this stay home series, drop me a comment, let me know what you think about my stay home series of videos. And as always, you know the deal. Crazy Chef, like, share, subscribe. So we're gonna put these back in our freezer for another 30. Put them in our freezer 30 minutes, rock solid. We're gonna go again. So we already did dry, so it's wet, dry. Then we're gonna put them in our freezer for 1 hour. So this is a good thing to do like in the evening time. So you do it when you wake up in the morning, they're ready. So you wanna always give them like a day, you cook them the next day. So we're gonna bread them again, put them in our freezer, and then we're gonna cook. We're gonna cook them. So we're gonna bread them again, put them in our freezer for 1 hour, and then we're gonna take them out and we're gonna deep fry them. So as always, you know, Crazy Creative Kitchen. Like, share, subscribe to the vibe, share the vibe, keep it moving. So now we're gonna put them back in our freezer for 1 hour, then I'm gonna take them out, and you're gonna be surprised because we're gonna put them in hot oil. So let's go into the vibe. Oil, fried ice cream. Let it get nice and golden brown, nice and crispy. Then you wanna take a dinner fork and just flip it over. You don't wanna use a spoon. You don't want to use a lifter. You just want to use a dinner fork, flip them over. Oh, beautiful. That's beautiful right there. That right there is beauty. So see that? That's beauty right there. That's like a fresh fade right there. That's beauty. I'm gonna give you a closer look. Look at that. That's beauty right there. Golden brown, crispy, awesome. That's just plain beauty. So these, I mean, you can serve it however you want. Serve it a little whipped cream, little chocolate syrup. Voila. As always, Crazy Creative Kitchen, giving you fantastic results so you can have restaurant style meals in your house. Thanks for watching. Share the vibe. Always share the vibe. Yours truly,